You sit down to work, open your laptop, you tell yourself, okay, time to get serious. But your hand reaches for your phone. You scroll just for a second, then another second, then 10, then you check messages, then YouTube. Then you remember, oh right, I was supposed to work. What happened? Why is it so hard to focus on anything for more than 5 minutes? Why does your brain feel like it's constantly on shuffle mode? Here's the truth, it's not laziness. It's not a lack of willpower. It's not that you're broken, it's dopamine. More specifically, how your brain's reward system has been hijacked. Let me explain. Dopamine is a chemical messenger, a molecule of motivation. It's what makes you chase goals, seek pleasure, and stay engaged. But here's the catch. Your brain doesn't care if something is meaningful. It only cares if something is stimulating, and in today's world, we're surrounded by high dopamine inputs. Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, notifications, endless scroll, quick hits, instant feedback, bright colors, loud sounds, fast edits, cheap reward. Your brain is being trained every day to expect more stimulation, more speed, more intensity all the time. So when you sit down to do something deep, like read, write, study, or think, your brain says, where's the dopamine? And when it doesn't find it, it gets bored, it gets restless. It looks for something easier. This is not your fault, but it is your responsibility. Because here's what happens if you don't fix it. You lose your attention span. You can't enjoy simple things anymore. You chase constant input just to feel okay. You become addicted to distraction. So how do we take our focus back? Not by quitting everything cold turkey, not by deleting all your apps overnight, that never lasts. The real fix is resetting your dopamine sensitivity. Here's how. Step 1. Dopamine audit. Track what you're consuming daily. Where does your brain get its quick hits? What's triggering that need for just a little check? Awareness is the first step. Step 2. Low dopamine days. Once a week, cut out artificial inputs. No social media, no YouTube, no processed sugar, no video games, just books, walks, journaling, silence. At first, it feels dull, but then it feels freeing. You're teaching your brain, hey, we don't need a fireworks show every 3 seconds to feel alive. Step 3. Deep work rituals. Before you start focused work, turn off notifications, set a timer, use background music or white noise. Reward yourself after, not during. This rebuilds the link between effort and reward. Step 4. Boredom tolerance. Let yourself feel bored. Seriously, don't fight it. Sit in the silence. Let your brain detox. Boredom isn't the enemy. It's the doorway to focus. Here's what no one tells you. You don't have a productivity problem. You have a dopamine problem. And you won't fix it with another productivity hack. You fix it by reclaiming your brain. Your ability to focus is your superpower in this age of noise. Protect it, train it, value it, because the world will always offer you cheap rewards, but you get to choose. Stimulation or satisfaction. The world doesn't need you scrolling, it needs you present. If this video helped, don't just click away, sit still, and do one thing without checking your phone.